Hey everybody, Carl Sordella here for GameSpot's coverage of E3 2012. We're here at the Video Game History Museum. Now, this is one of the areas that you might not know about that's actually at E3, and it's one of my favorite areas ever because it's all these old school games. We're going to take you through a little tour of some of the games. Come with me. All right, so we're over here. Excuse me. I'm going to start with Odyssey because, I mean, come on. It's a good place to start, 1972. I had one of these. I think I had almost everything that's here because I'm a big nerd. Let's keep going. Really, really cool books, old school books. Vanguard, Tomb Raiders. Tomb Raider, I just did Tomb Raider from Raiders of the Lost Ark. That's why it's on my mind. These are really cool old books. Oh, the Puffy stickers. Do you remember these? These are so great. I had like a whole little book of these, which again makes me sound like a big nerd. Puffy stickers, awesome. Hats, lunchbox. Oh, we will talk about this later. One of my favorite systems of all time. Not many people had the TurboGrafx. I did. Werner, did you have TurboGrafx? Yes or no? No, no one did. I did. As you see in the back here, we have a bunch of old school arcade games, which of course we could play all day, and I'm sure that we're gonna come back here to play some of them. And just like in the traditional arcade, some aren't working. Yeah, so we've got Donkey Kong Jr., Primal Rage, oh man. Altered Beast, of course. Russian Attack. Tons of games. And also, you can see over here, they have the old school setup. That's like a, like my living room back in the day. I can see myself just lounging, playing Atari. Oh, it's E.T., the worst game ever. That's a terrible game. And that's what they're showing for some reason. Let's come over here. Uh-oh, wait, don't film the screen. You can put whatever one you in.
Copies, it's not in a landfill somewhere.
Oh, I know, it's just when I mentioned the landfill. Well, let's. Millipede's always good. Oh, Berserk is better. Can we do Berserk? Oh my goodness. Make this work. Can I? Oh, yeah, can I? I don't know if I can do this at the same time. Here we go.
Want to hold that?
Yeah, can you?
Sure. Go ahead.
Oh my goodness. Oh, wait, how do I start it? Oh yeah, just that. Oh, I love this game. Can we stay here for a while?
You can stay here all afternoon.
I can't though. I can't. So this, you know what's funny about this? It's actually really close to the arcade. You know, like the arcade was simple and like, you know, basic graphics. So we're pretty much close to the actual game. Oh, and the smiley face later. I love this game. Oh, no way. My skills have not stayed the same. Yeah, it's supposed to make you crazy. And it kind of does that. Oh, you know what? Those lines represent where the guys are. You see that? Okay, hold on. I just got to get one more board. I want to feel like I'm still good at this. There we go. It's going to take me a while to walk to the next level. So when the smiley face shows up, I forgot. Just whenever? No way, dude. No way. Yeah. Oh, how do you even hit that guy? Oh, I don't know. Thanks for holding that. Berserk, I could play that all day, so we better leave. Thanks, ma'am. Here's some really cool patches. Oh, man, are these for sale? This is cool. Activision. Friends of Dolphins. Oh, that's super cool. Security Atari. Some old school games. Lord of the Rings. That's pretty deep. Over here. Oh, it's got buttons too. Sega Genesis. I kind of want all this, dude. We're gonna have to ask them later how much they're not gonna sell. It's a museum. This is always the whole cartridges. I didn't know this existed. Oh, it's like, you know, old school place to hold. No, it actually gives you more than that, isn't it? I think you actually can play them from there. It seems like it has a selector. Oh, that's cool. It plays a bunch at once. That's crazy. And then this is the voice, which actually was one of the first, you know, talking, synthesized voice things. Also kind of a computer in a way with these really weird joysticks. VIC-20, I had this. It's before the Commodore 64, the one that was crappier. This I never had, which seems really awesome. You can drive and shoot things all at once. But of course, the graphics were rubbish. ColecoVision was great, but this is the worst controller ever made, one of them. And it hurts your thumbs really bad. Remember this? Hurts your thumbs. I don't know what that is. but it looks really interesting. And then kid video, there's the attachment for the Atari. Man, I forgot about that. Super cool. And of course, you're in television, which is where I actually played sports games for the first time. You guys remember in television football? That was like before John Madden, and it felt like a real football game. Okay, that's one half of this museum. It's a lot of stuff. We'll come back for another segment and show you the other half, and we're going to look at TurboGrafx, which is one of my favorite systems of all time.